Here is Japanese laundromat in Tokyo. Today we're gonna show you thoughtful service at Japanese laundromat. All machine has self-cleaning function. It's a quite Japanese idea. First of all, to understand Japanese culture, we need to observe Japanese lifestyle. Most of Japanese people bring wet sterilization sheets everywhere to keep clean around them. You'll see so many kinds of sterilization sheets at store. All Japanese people take off their shoes when they come back to home and put on room shoes. We make sure there are no hairs left in the machine, not even one. We'll show you amazing self-cleaning function of the machine at Japanese laundromat. Here are the dryers. When you push this button, the fresh air comes into the machine and pushes away the air stayed in it. Before using the washing machine, we need to confirm that there's nothing inside of it. When we push this button, the self-cleaning function works. It has started. The water comes out and the machine is refreshed after the previous customer. It takes about 2 minutes and it's free of charge. Even it's free service, please don't use only this function to wash your laundry. Of course, it's not enough for washing properly. It's ready to put your laundry into the fresh and new machine. Thank you for watching. We share the clean space, shares laundry.